unplug the MAF sensor. Loosen the 4 screws holding down the upper air box. Loosen and disconnect the air inlet hose from the turbo inlet pipe. Flip the upper air box over and unclip the wire harness using a flathead screwdriver. Loosen the two 10mm bolts and remove the lower air box from the engine bay. Unplug the sensors and disconnect the vacuum hose from the charge pipe. Unclip the wire harness from the charge pipe. Loosen and remove the 2 bolts holding the charge pipe to the engine. Loosen the hose clamp at the rear of the charge pipe. Loosen and disconnect the intercooler hose at the front of the charge pipe and remove the charge pipe from the engine bay. Loosen the clamp at the throttle body to remove the stock rubber elbow. Remove the sensors from the stock charge pipe and transfer them onto the HPS charge pipe. Install the HPS silicone elbow onto the throttle body. Install the reducer coupler onto the front intercooler pipe. Install the rubber vibration mounts onto the stock charge pipe mounting points. Connect the HPS charge pipe to the silicone couplers. Fasten the bracket to the charge pipe using the provided bolt and washer. Tighten all of the hose clamps to 15 inch-pounds. Reconnect the sensors and reinstall the vacuum hose using the provided hose clamp. Reinstall your intake system and reconnect the negative battery cable.